Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn about FreeCAD Revolve feature, so that how FreeCAD Revolve features works. So here I have a sketch. I have already made a sketch of my part 107. I will provide this part image in the video descriptions, and you can also get this part sketch from cadexpert.com. So for Revolve features I have already drawn half portion of this my round profile, and I have a constrained it. Now I will close my sketch and I will select this revolve feature. So if you see here FreeCAD already selected this Z axis as my revolve axis to revolve this part, but I want to revolve my part on the Y axis. Okay, so I will go here and select the Y axis. Okay, so I want my part shape in around the Y axis. So now we will see some other features of the FreeCAD. So this is the axis. You can select Z axis, you can select X axis, or you can select Y axis. Okay, so here is the options of the axis, and horizontal sketch axis is also one options, which means that it will select the horizontal axis of your sketch. So we can make this revolve with horizontal sketch axis and also with Y sketch axis. Okay, so both are the same. Now here we have revolve our part as per 360 as per our reference drawing, but we can change it angle. For example, I want to revolve it 180 degree only, so I will give here my angle. So you can see that part is revolved with 180 degree. I can also change angle to the 270. Okay, either I can make it 70 degree. So this is how you can draw one fourth section, half section, or 1/3 section, or complete 360 degrees. So this is how you can change the angle and make your revolve sections. So my requirement here is a 360 degree, so I will go here and give 360, and I press 0 to go to the isometric view. And here is a angle and axis are the two more important feature for this revolve feature. So this is a very small video how revolve feature works in a FreeCAD. If you like my video, you can support me by buying a coffee for me. Link is given in a video descriptions. For such useful video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video you will get notification. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.